What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life, and we back, baby. Collider Express, where it's at. But what we gonna do? I'm making a spaghetti tomorrow. This is a can of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna put this in the slow cooker. Make the sauce in the slow cooker. As y'all see, got a couple of these, but hold on, my mushroom got the red off. Mushrooms. But we're gonna add a little twist to it today. Put that in there. There we go. Some water. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much. About 4 ounces. Maybe 6 at the most. Put that back right there. Next thing is a 4-pound. I'm using ground bison. You can use beef, lamb, whatever you want to use. I like bison because it's the most delicious beef you'll ever taste. There we go. 1 can to 1 pound. We're gonna put some butter to add a little bit of fat because bison don't have a lot of fat to it. So we put about a quarter stick of butter, some mushrooms. This is how I do it. Y'all can do it. Y'all can add your personality to it. I do it this way because this is the way I like it. And actually, to be honest, I've never made it this way, but I'm trying it. And y'all will see tomorrow when the finished product. And I decided to stop cooking noodles in my truck. Because with the way I cook them, they always come out a little overdone, I ain't gonna lie. So, I'll show y'all right now. Hold on. We're gonna take this, take about a couple handfuls of it. Couple handfuls of mushrooms, put that in there. There we go. Take some minced onion, dehydrated of course, and take the lid off. There we go. You gotta add it at your discretion. I put about a tablespoon and a half. Some Italian seasoning. Take the lid off, of course. Put that in there. Maybe a little. There we go. Crushed reds for flavor. Garlic. Sorry. Of course, we need some garlic in here. We're going to cover it. I'm going to put it on low, and it's going to cook overnight. And then tomorrow, you guys, I got a question. I got pasta. It's pre-cooked. I found these at Walmart the other day, and I've been nervous about using them. But leave in the comments which one I should use: the penne pasta, which are those, or the rotinis, which are those. Which one? The most in the comments will get the decision. Y'all votes matter. This ain't the presidential debate. But hey, we're gonna let this cook, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? We back with part 2. The only thing we're doing is putting the onions and bell peppers in here. Fresh onions and fresh bells. Put it in. And then we're gonna get these cooking for the last 3 hours of this trip. Well, more like 3 or 4 hours. But how y'all doing today? How you guys doing today? Yep, that's it. I was thinking about putting jalapenos, but I was like, nah, that's gonna be doing too much. Take a butter knife out of here. And just mix it around. Because it's a meaty sauce. I like a lot of meat in my sauce. That bison's gonna give it such a beautiful flavor though. Don't judge me, y'all. This is my first time making this, okay? I'm not gonna call it a spaghetti. I can't. It's not a real spaghetti sauce. This is more like a meat bison pasta. There we go. It's a bison tomato pasta. There we go. Because I don't want to disrespect any Italians that know how to make this shit for real. But hey, it's Trucker's Life. And I'm gone. Cowboys now. What's up, y'all? Cowboys, baby. We back. I got the pasta done. Well, obviously you guys know it's pre-cooked, but you still got to warm it up. So you just put it in some olive oil or butter is what they suggest. I can tell you right now. See right here, it says add your favorite herb. Open, put in the microwave. If not in the microwave or on the stove, pour pasta and 2 teaspoons of olive oil in skillet. Stir 2 to 4 minutes until heated. I didn't do the olive oil because I'm kind of low. I gotta go to the store and buy some more, so I used a little bit of butter. And we are about to finish this meal. So what I'm gonna do, take my spoon, my handy dandy spoon right here. Scoop out this lovely meat sauce. Lovely meat sauce. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's a meat tomato mushroom sauce. See, heavy on the meat. Very heavy on the meat. Then we're gonna cover that up. I'm gonna sit this down real quick. Over here because I had to let the cheese defrost. My favorite mozzarella right here. My Cowboys are winning right now. I'm gonna take this cheese and put it right on top. Put a good amount of cheese in there. I love cheese. Yes, I'm lactose intolerant. But we doing what we gotta do to make a good meal. Okay, and then we're gonna cover that up. We're gonna cover it up, let the cheese melt. And we'll be back. Alright, so we back and dinner is done. What y'all think? That look good to y'all? Does it look good to me? I'm about to eat. But hey, thank y'all for the support. Trucker's Life. And I'm gone, baby.